Exercise number 6. Ready? Start. Honorable members, under the Swamitva scheme launched by my government, villagers are now acquiring legal rights over their priority. With ownership rights, the villagers can now easily avail bank loans and housing loans against the collateral of their properties, and in economic activities are expected to gain momentum in the rural areas. Small entrepreneurs, people associated with cottage industries and small farmers would be especially benefited under the scheme. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was not only the principal architect of the Indian Constitution but also guided the development of country's water policy. On 8th November 1945, during a conference in Cuttack, he had said, "Water is wealth. Water being the wealth of the people and its distribution being uncertain, the correct approach is not to complain against nature but to conserve water." Drawing inspiration from Baba Saheb, my government is working on the ambitious scheme of Jal Jeevan Mission. Besides delivering water to every household, work on water conservation is also progressing at a rapid pace. I am happy to say that under this scheme, 3 crore families have been connected, is being provided on priority to brothers and sisters belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, as well as other deprived sections of the society. Keeping in mind the requirements of the 21st century and with a view to improving the connectivity of our villages, my government has made commendable progress in expanding the network of rural roads. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, constructed of 6.42 lakh kilometer of road network has been completed in rural areas of the country. In the third phase of this scheme, 1.25 lakh kilometer roads connecting the settlements, schools, markets and hospitals in rural areas will also be upgraded. Along with roads, internet connectivity is equally important in the rural areas. After ensuring electrification of every village, my government is implementing a mission to connect over 6 lakh villages of the country through optical fiber. Our small scale industries, cottage industries and MSMEs spread across the villages and small towns are the backbone of our economy. These small scale industries have immense potential of making Indians self-reliant. This sector accounts for about 50% of India's total exports. Several steps have been taken to enhance the role of MSMEs in the mission aimed at developing an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Development of small and cottage industries has received the requisite impetus through measures like modification in the definition of MSMEs, increase in the investment limit on priority in government procurement. Honorable members, under the Samvitva scheme launched by my government, villagers are now acquiring legal rights over their property.